Hey guys, how's it going and welcome to the video. I'm going to show you how to set the preload on Indian Springfield Dark Horse. This is my 23 model. It's super easy, so this is how we do it. So the Springfield Dark Horses have air monoshock, so in the name it's pumped up by air. Indian provides you with an air pump, and it is recommended in the owner's manual that you only use the provided air pump to pump up your shock. So with that being said, let's jump over to the left-hand side of the bike and I'll show you how to pump it up. There are a couple of prerequisites that I should point out. It actually does state this in the owner's manual, and that is when you want to adjust your suspension, what you want to do is park the bike on a flat surface, take out all luggage from the saddlebags, and have no rider or passenger sitting on the bike at the time. Once all that is all good to go, we'll move on to the actual process of adjusting your preload. Okay, so we are here at the left-hand side of the bike. Now you want to go to this side panel right here, and you just want to firmly pull the corners. There are little tabs in the back. So you just want to pull it so that it's not loose, like this. Just be gentle because you don't want to break it. Firm pull, and now you'll hear it pop out. There's about 4 little tabs. There it is. Just like that. Now, come on in. Now with the side panel removed, there is the pump nozzle right here, the little nipple. So what you need to do is take off the cap. There's the cap. Put that aside, don't lose that. When you take off your side panel, on the inside is a chart showing what PSI you need to have the shock at for the obviously required weights. Now at the moment I've got it set for riding 2 up, so I'm going to change it to the correct PSI, which for me should be around 32. So anywhere between 32 and 40. As you can see, it's in pounds, so if you use kilos like in Australia and all that, you're going to have to hop onto the good old Auntie Google to do the conversion to see what it should be in kilos. Alright, so with the nub removed, what you're going to do is take your Indian provided hose pump, pull it open, and you're just going to screw that onto the nub, like so. It is threaded, so it will only go on one way. As you can see, I can't bloody put it on. Alright, once it has completely been screwed on, your pressure gauge will indicate where the shock pressure is at. Now I need it to be at around 35 to 40, somewhere in that range. So to pump the system up, if you're going 2 up, it's as simple as just pumping until the pressure gauge gets to the recommended level. To lower the spring, press and hold this button on the pump. So okay, so now I've got it to the recommended PSI as per the panel. Now what you're going to do, it's as simple as just unscrewing it. You get a little pop. It does say in the Indian instructions that when removing or putting the air pump onto the nub, that you can possibly lose up to 5 PSI. So just to be safe, pump it up an extra 5 for when you take off the nub, you might lose it, so yeah. Anyway, it's as simple as putting that black end cap back on, just like that, and then clipping your side panel back on. As you can see, there's actually three tabs, so you don't want to break those off. So just slot it back in. Try not to scratch your paint. It's a little bit finicky trying to get in, but you'll figure out how to do it. Best to go under the saddlebag like this, and then line it up. And then once you've got it pretty much seated where it needs to go, just give it another firm press. You'll hear a little click. that. That one's already in, that one's already in. Give it a little tug. And that's it.